lot of times you can find some. Oh, got him. There we go. Nice. Here we go. I had a feeling there'd be fish back here. Not a bad pike on the whopper plopper. Not a bad pike for the first one of the day. This is what I got that fish on. I wanted a nice bright white belly. The water's really murky right now, and something that'd make some noise, so I chose the plopper actually. I was using the rat earlier, but I threw it like 30 feet up into a tree, so that's $20 gone. The plopper will get it done, I'm sure. What a cast. Oh, something surfaced right behind it. See if he'll go pretty good. I don't think he felt the hooks. That looked like a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That was sick. Oh, you let it go. God, that was a nice one, dude. Man. That's just a squeaker. You see that? That was cool. Just a little snot rocket. It was cool how he hit it right next to the boat though. Got it. Got that one on that 4-inch Savage Gear perch in that Fire Tiger color. That was the first cast with that. Maybe that's what they want. Got him. Second cast, dude. I like this thing. Another one on that Savage Gear. Man, these pike are torn up by other fish. They're aggressive lately. Yep. Another one. What is that? Is that a white bass? It's a crappie. Look at that crappie, you guys. That's like a 10-inch crappie, 12-inch crappie. That's a nice one. That was weird. This is a blast, you guys. I can't really even explain how fun this is. This pike are just crushing this little perch lure. Holy shit! Oh my god. Holy shit, that almost jumped in the boat. Oh my god.